Hey gang, Ross Brand here for Livestream Universe and the host of StreamYard Connect. I'm excited about being able to use Amazon Live and go live from StreamYard, and I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. If you don't yet have Amazon Live or you're not in the Amazon Influencer program, I'll show you how you can apply for that in another video, which you can check out. Let me show you how to connect StreamYard to Amazon Live's creator app so that you can go live from your favorite camera, from your computer, and take advantage of all the great features that StreamYard has to offer. Okay, so you go to the Amazon Creator app on your mobile phone, and as it opens up, you can scroll down and see your stats. But the main thing you want to do here is click the plus button at the bottom in order to start a new broadcast. Add a thumbnail image. I will add this image, which says that I'm going live Monday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern. I'll choose that. And then you have to add a product. If you don't add at least one product, they won't let you go live on Amazon Live. The point is to sell products and services that are available through Amazon. So I will add... I'll add my microphone, the Shure SM7B. Type that into the search bar. It comes up. I'll add it to the stream. And as you add more products, you set up your carousel of products that will show up under the video window when people are watching your live stream. Okay, we'll give it a title. I'm going to call it Live Stream Deals. And I'm going to save that title. And then I'm going to go down to the start time. I'm going to click Show a Start Time, and I'm going to set it for Monday at 4:30 p.m., which is the same time that's in the graphic, and I will save that. Now it asks me for my video source. So this is the crucial piece of information here because we do not want to use the Amazon mobile app. Nothing wrong with it, but if we have the opportunity to use StreamYard as our encoding software to connect to Amazon Live, then we also have the ability to add all the features of StreamYard, add our own camera, so I can go live from my mirrorless camera. I can use my A10 Mini Pro to switch shots if I need to, and I can, most importantly, use the screen share feature of StreamYard in order to show off the products and services while I'm talking about them. So we are in the Amazon Creator app, and I'm going to click where it says Video Source Phone Camera, and I'm going to choose External Camera. Then it says Get URL and Stream Key. I click on that to copy it, and I'm going to click Copy, and then I'm going to save that setting. The next thing I do, and I'm sure there's more than one way to do this, but here's how I do it. I create an email to myself, and I paste what I just copied from the Amazon Creator app. I paste that into the body of the email. The two key pieces of information that you get are the server URL, which starts with RTMP. Looks like a website URL, except that it uses RTMP to start instead of HTTP or HTTPS. And then the other thing you want to add is the stream key. Okay, so I'm going to send that email to myself. So now I go to my computer, I open up my email, I copy the stream key and URL. Let's just play along with that. So you go into your StreamYard dashboard, you go to the left side of the screen where you're in broadcast, the next one down. The only other option is destinations. You click destinations, and then you go to add a destination. After you click that, your choice of destination in this case will be custom RTMP. Once you choose custom RTMP, you enter into the RTMP server URL, the RTMP URL that you copied into your email. You'll enter into where it says stream key, the stream key from your email that you copied out of the Amazon Live Creator app, and then you give it a nickname. I always give it the nickname Amazon Live, and then you click Add RTMP Server. You don't have to worry about a server password for this. And as far as I've seen so far, it's a persistent key. So once you do this once, you don't have to do this every time you go live with StreamYard. You can just choose that destination, as I will do now that I have it set up. So I go to broadcast, create a broadcast, just like I would do for any other broadcast, but I go here and I mouse over this A here with the RTMP icon, and it comes up Amazon Live. I click that. I put my title in, live stream deals, and I click create broadcast. Whether you schedule it for a time or you're ready to go, it will appear in your broadcast tab under upcoming broadcasts. You click to enter the studio, and like any other broadcast, you choose your camera, you choose your microphone, and you're good to go in. You can pick your green screen if you're using one, and you enter the studio. You add yourself to the broadcast. When I'm using StreamYard to produce broadcast for Amazon Live, I love to use the screen share feature to show off products and services. Now, one thing you'll notice here on the right, you're not going to get comments coming into the studio when you're using custom RTMP. You have to use your phone and go into the app once you go live in order to have the comments available and react to the comments. And it's something that Amazon wants to see. They want to see that you're doing a lot of engaging with your audience, and that's one of the criteria in order to move up levels. Even as an Amazon Live user, there's different levels if you meet certain criteria that you can attain within that program. Okay, so now I'm ready to go live. I go back, I find the broadcast. It's going to be the first thumbnail that comes up. It says upcoming on it. I click that. I'm into the setup for the broadcast. I'm going to go live first from StreamYard because StreamYard needs to connect to the Amazon Live Creator app. I'm going to click go live here in StreamYard. Yes, go live. And then I go over to the app on my phone and I hit preview, and I just wait till the connection makes, and then once the connection is made, I click go live here on the bottom of this page, and then I can watch my comments as they come in. So that's how it works. It's actually very easy, and this is how you can connect StreamYard and take advantage of all those great features of StreamYard. And it's also, if you're looking to use StreamYard with any other platform that doesn't have native integration with StreamYard, this works with just about any app that accepts an RTMP connection. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the next video.